Turn the page.
Turn the page.
When out on the lawn there arose such a clatter, I sprang from my bed to see what was the matter. Away to the window I flew like a flash, tore open the shutters and threw up the sash. The moon on the breast of the new fallen snow gave the lustre of invisible objects below. When what? To my
Grandpa's.
eyes should appear but a miniature sleigh, and his tiny reindeer. With a little old driver, so lively and quick, I knew in a moment it was
Don't touch the button. Turn the page.
Turn the page.
More rapid than eagles, his coursers they came, and he whistled and shouted and called them by name.
Grandma.
Now Dasher, now Dancer, now Prancer and Vixen, I'm Comet, I'm Cupid, I'm Donder and Blitzen. To the top of the porch, to the top of the wall, now dash away all. As dry leaves that before the wild hurricane fly, when they meet with an obstacle bound to the sky, so up to the housetop the coursers they flew, with a sleigh full of toys, and St. Nicholas too.
Turn the page.
And then in a twinkling I heard on the roof the prancing and pouring of each little hoof. As I drew in my head and was turning around, down the chimney St. Nicholas came with a bound. He was all dressed in fur from his head to his foot, and his clothes were all tarnished with ashes and soot. A bundle of toys he had
Merry
thrown in
Christmas.
his back, and he looked like a peddler just opening his pack.
Yeah. Turn the page.
Turn the page. Oh, turn too many
He
pages.
sprang to his sleigh, to his team gave a whistle, and away they all flew like the down of a thistle. But I heard him exclaim as he
Don't press the button.
eye and a twist of his head soon led me to know I had nothing to dread. He spoke not a word, but went straight to his work, and filled all the stockings, and then turned with a jerk.
Turn the page.
He sprang to his sleigh, to his team gave a whistle, and away they all flew like the down of a thistle. But I heard him exclaim as he drove out of sight, Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night. I love you, Abby and Caitlin. I hope you enjoyed the story.
Merry Christmas, Abby and Caitlin. We love you.
All right. That's hey.
Grandma and Grandpa reading the book. Yeah, do you like that?
Yeah, it's your book.
Thank you.
You're welcome.